Hi guys, so ignore how crazy my hair looks right now. I'm doing the Dyson Corrale full length review after using it for a few months. So if you're interested, please stay tuned where I've turned this hair from this to something sleek and shiny. So I have had a chance to play with the Dyson Corrale for, I would say, a few months now. And I made a video when I first got it, doing a first impressions. I can't say too much has changed, but I definitely, I know the ins and outs of this product at this point, and I'll have all the info down below, pricing, where you can buy it, where I purchased it, and every other link I have, link to the Dyson website, link to how they describe it. But I'm just going to talk about why I'm keeping it and pros and cons. So this is a Dyson Corrale. This is in their product line for hair. I also have the Dyson Airwrap, which I've done many videos on. I've done many videos styling my hair with the Dyson Airwrap, and I have done, so I've done, I think I've done a straight hair, and I have also done a professional blowout. And of course, working on more in the works. There's many looks that can be done with the Airwrap, but this is meant for straightening the hair. And I gotta say, the number one thing that keeps me from returning this is that it is cordless. That is really the game changer for me. Not having to plug a straightener in is really helpful. For example, making this video, I didn't have to worry about getting a plug. I just had to pick it up, make sure it's charged, and I'm ready to go. So that is kind of what's keeping me from returning it at this point. But yeah, I have a bunch of Dyson products, but yeah, I have the Airwrap, and then I have the vacuum, and I have the Dyson comb, which is that's a Gina extra move right there. But I will say that this product is okay. The fact that I own it isn't the most exciting thing for me, but it works, and I will show you how it works. So it comes like this, and I just have the black and pink version. It comes in a few colors, and you get it open like this, and then it comes apart. And to turn it on, you press the power button. And at this point, you can choose if you would like it on 330, 365, or 410. So there's 3 different temperature settings. I go to 365 typically. I don't really turn it on to 410 too often. My hair is pretty wild today, so I may use it on 410, but I'd rather start on the lower and then work my way up. And I will say that it is now heated up, so it does heat up very quickly, and I go in sections. So I'm going to separate my hair in 2. So I separate my hair into 2 sections, and then it's a bit heavy, on the heavy side, but I'm used to it at this point. So I don't start at the very top because you can hurt your scalp. So I start in the middle, and with the Dyson Corrale, you want to go very slow. And you can go over the section of hair a few times. But I will tell you that this hair straightener is definitely safer on the hair than my Chi straightener, which I believe, this is my personal opinion, is the best hair straightener on the market. So I think the Chi creates a more straight look, but the Chi only has one setting, a 410. And it causes a lot more damage to the hair. So I rarely use the Chi unless I have a special event or a date or I'm going out. So this is kind of like my everyday straightener. And it has titanium plates versus a Chi or other straighteners have ceramic plates. So this has a different type of material that is meant to be less damaging, and This is meant to be used on dry hair. So unlike the Dyson Airwrap, you don't want to use this on wet hair at all. You want to make sure your hair is 100% dry when you are using this. And for me, I have a lot of hair. The hairs themselves are quite fine, but I have a lot of hair. So I like to take medium sections like this. I would say about 2 inches is good. And just take it slowly. And if you are noticing any tugging, you probably have taken a little bit too much hair for the Corrale to really straighten. So through the technology that I have read, the way that this works differently than a regular straightener, or comparing it to my Chi straightener, which is my favorite, it actually has vibrating plates, but they vibrate so quickly that you can't see the vibrations at all. And something about that technology causes, I keep saying causes, it allows your hair to not be as damaged. Hair straightening and hair curling is very damaging to the hair, which is another reason why I'm keeping this product, because as you saw, my hair can get very poofy. It can get kind of triangle. And the fact that I can use this product and not worry about too much damage. We are still working with heat here, but I would say that this is significantly less damage than a 410 Chi or any other ceramic plate straightener, as they say. And I gotta say, I do trust Dyson. They're one of my favorite brands. They have a really good warranty, and even though this straightener is very expensive, it is an investment in my hair, and it is an investment in basically my hair health in the long run. So my hair has been growing quite quickly since I've been using this instead of a straightener. I was kind of almost addicted to my straightener. My hairdresser told me I need to lay off of the heat product, of the styling products, because my hair was damaged on the ends. But I've noticed that I just could not stop, because I don't like the way that my hair looks if I don't style it. So I just feel like having these products that help with reducing damage are good to have. So this is, and I brush it through one more time. On 365, one brush through. Very sleek. It's definitely not as pin straight as if I used my Chi straightener once again, which is my go-to. And at this point, I can go in and spot straighten. And I will say that it does not hold the straightening as much as other straighteners do, and it does require touch-ups, I will say. It looks good, but I also, did section it. It took a decent amount of time, and it is heavier than other straighteners. So that is something to take into consideration. As you can see, there's still a lot of bumps, and if I had it on 410, it probably wouldn't have those bumps, but yeah, it's just straight, but it's not as salon looking straight as if I used, once again, my other straighteners. But this one is, has those special plates. So I think this has about 30 minutes of charge, so until you need to charge it again. So if you have more hair than me, you might be frustrated because you will run out of power in the middle of your hairstyling. I haven't run into that issue if I keep it charged fully. It only takes me about 30 minutes to do my hair with the Corrale. And I have about medium to long hair. Yeah, so I always am keeping it charged. If I only keep it halfway charged, I only get about 15 minutes of hair time, and then I definitely am not going to finish my look, and that's going to be very frustrating. But yeah, the key is to go slowly, take a medium-sized piece, and make sure you just, you know, go through it a few times if you need to. About this much is good. But compared to my other straighteners, it definitely requires a longer straightening time. And it is hot. Like, my hair does feel hot. So I really hope that it's not causing as much damage as the other straighteners are. There really isn't much else to say about it. It's just a hair straightener. But the unique features, as I said, is that it is chargeable. There is no, you know, plug-in as other straighteners have. So you can kind of walk around and straighten your hair. I can film this video and straighten my hair. About 30 minutes of charge on average if you keep it fully charged. It's heavier than the average straightener. And also it has 3 heat settings. So if I had it on 410 right now, it would be very hot and probably burning my hands. So this is the part of the video where I start to, this is what happens. I do very well on straightening my hair. I go section by section, and then I get tired and bored. And so then I just start kind of going everywhere. Then there's like bumps and stuff, but it's okay. I don't see any bumps. Let's see how much battery we have left. So it's been about 11 minutes and 30 seconds, and we are about 1/4 down. So, and I am about 80% done straightening my hair. But I do have a lot of hair. So if you don't have as much hair as I do, that's going to be more than enough time to straighten your hair. You can also keep it plugged in while you are straightening your hair, and then you don't have to worry about that. But I don't do that. So it comes with a pouch that you can put in so that you can fly an airplane. It's like an airplane safe pouch, and it comes with the charger, of course, and it comes with this charging station. So you just put it in this charging station right here, and then you actually charge it through here. So I just have it in this charging station all the time, and then I have the charger on here. So that it's always being charged. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much good at this point. So how to turn it off is you press that power button, it's off, and then you close it and then lock it. So it's still hot, so you don't want to, you know, put it next to anything that's going to catch on fire. So then I put my hair down, and I have to say that it looks really good right now. I do have a lot of good products in my hair right now, which is very helpful. So this is the final look with the Dyson Corrale. I have to say that it has its pros and cons. If I was to rate it compared to Dyson Airwrap, I give the Dyson Airwrap an A, and I give the Dyson Corrale a B. Yeah, I think it's a B. Sometimes I love it. Sometimes I feel like it's not really doing the job that I would like. It's kind of inconsistent, and versus like the cheese straightener, it almost always looks good. But I give it a B because I can walk around and straighten my hair. I don't have to plug it in, and also it's less damaging on my hair. So I'm really investing in my hair health. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'm so close to 100, so close. And if I get to 100 this week, it would make my week. And love you guys so much for watching. And bye. Bye.